Hello, CATIA V5 designers. We see you. We know you love the power of CATIA at your fingertips. You've proven you can build absolutely anything with CATIA. But with 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA on the cloud, you can build anything on a whole new level. The cloud-based collaboration capabilities in 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA help you solicit feedback early and often to deliver validated design solutions straight out of the gate. Your project stakeholders may be in the same location or physically dispersed, across offices, across organizations, across time zones, but they will always have real-time access to the latest design. Multidiscipline contributors can visualize and interact directly with your 3D model, anytime, anywhere, through a browser. Time to check in. Would you like to learn about the upgrade process? With 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA on the cloud, your project is more traceable, more manageable, more secure, and more stable. You can open large assemblies simultaneously with other stakeholders, automatically track changes, quickly compare versions, and gain powerful new tools exclusively available on the cloud. We're here to help you chart your course from V5 to 3DEXPERIENCE CATIA. Here's how to get started. If there's one thing the world learned from 2020, it's this: together is better. Likewise, designing together makes your work better. Collaborate seamlessly and create absolutely anything with CATIA on the cloud.